Hello students, myself Kasle PB, Junior College Teacher, Department of Mathematics from Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's RBNB College, Srirampur. Students, in the last lecture we have seen some examples based on geometric progression, that is on the nth term of geometric progression and using some remarks. Today also we are going to study some examples based on nth term of geometric progression and some remarks on geometric progression. Okay, now we see first example here. Find the numbers, find the four numbers find four numbers in geometric progression such that sum of the middle two numbers is 10 upon 3 and their product is 1 Okay, now we have to find the four terms or four numbers in geometric progression, and given conditions are sum of the middle two numbers is 10 by 3 and product of all four terms is equal to 1. Using these two conditions we have to find the four numbers in GP. Now first we suppose or assume, answer for this, assume that the four numbers in GP are a upon r cube, comma a upon r, comma ar, comma a into r raised to 3. Now these are the four numbers in GP. Now we use given condition. Conditions are, first condition is sum of the middle two numbers is 10 by 3. Given that sum of middle two numbers is 10 by 3. Okay, that is, these are two middle terms, sum of these two terms is equal to 10 by 3. Therefore we can write here a upon r plus ar is equal to 10 upon 3. Now simplify this, taking addition here, we can write a plus r into a into r square upon r into 1 r is equal to 10 by 3. That is, we can find here r 3 into, simplifying this, 3 into a plus ar square is equal to, take this r to the RHS, then we can write here 10r, that is 3a plus 3r square minus 10r is equal to 0. So this is the equation number first. Now is second condition, their product is 1, product of all four terms is equal to 1. Okay, also given that product of four numbers Product of 4 numbers is 1. That is a upon r cube into a upon r into ar into ar cube is equal to 1. Product of 4 numbers is equal to 1. Now this r upon r cancel out, r cube upon r cube cancel. Now take remaining terms, a into a into a into a 4 times. A into a into a into a is equal to 1. This can be written as in the form a raised to 4 equal to 1 raised to 4, and this implies that a is equal to 1. That is we get value of a is equal to 1. Now put this value of a in equation first. Here put in equation first. Put in equation first. Therefore equation 1 becomes 3 plus 3r square minus 10r is equal to 0. Okay, that is we can write this as 3r square minus 10r plus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation in R. It has 2 roots. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. Take product of coefficient of x square and constant r square and constant term 3. Product of coefficient of r square and constant term 3, that is product is 9. Now we choose any two terms whose product is 9 and addition is minus 10. These numbers are minus 9 and minus 1. That is we can write here 3r square minus 9r minus r plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now taking pairs, first pair, second pair, take here common 3r, in bracket remains r minus 3. Here take minus 1 common, in bracket remains r minus 3 equal to 0. That is we can write here taking r minus 3 common, r minus 3 in first bracket into in second bracket 3r minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now product of these two bracket equal to 0. Therefore we can write here r minus 3 is equal to 0 or 3r minus 1 is equal to 0. That is we get here r is equal to 3 or r is equal to 1 by 3. R is equal to 1 by 3. That is we get values of a is equal to 1 first value, and values of r are two values, r is equal to 3 and r is equal to 1 by 3. The first condition here, use when a is equal to 1 and r is equal to 3. The 4 numbers in GPR, we have to find these 4 numbers. Put values of a and r in these numbers. Therefore we get here first number a upon r cube is equal to, a means 1, r means 3 cube is equal to 1 upon 3 cube means 27. Okay, first number is 1 upon 27. Second number 1 upon r is equal to 1 upon r means 3 equal to 1 by 3. Second number is 1 by 3. Third number ar, that is a into r means 1 into 3. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. And fourth number, we can write here fourth number of geometric progression. Fourth number a into r cube, that is 1 into 3 cube, and 3 cube means 27. 27 into 1 means 27. Fourth number is 27. Okay. Now use second value of r. R is equal to 1 by 3. Number second, when a is equal to 1 and r is equal to 1 by 3, the numbers of GPR first number a upon r cube. A is 1, r means 3, sorry, r means 1 by 3, 1 by 3 bracket raised to 3 is equal to 1 upon 1 by 27. Now taking reciprocal of this 1 upon 27, we can write here 27. Now here first value is 27, our first number in GP is 27. Now second number, a upon r is equal to, a means 1, r means 1 upon 3. Again taking reciprocal of this number, we can write here second value is 3. Third value, number third, a into r, that is 1 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Fourth number, a into r cube, that is 1 into 1 by 3 raised to 3 equal to 1 by 3 raised to 3 means 1 by 27, that is 1 upon 27 into 1, we get 1 upon 27. Now these are the numbers in GP when a is equal to 1 and r is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so this is the answer for example. Now we see next example here. Now next example is find 5 numbers in GP. Find 5 numbers in GP such that their product is their product is 1024 and fifth term is square of the third term and fifth term is the square of third term. Okay, now in this example we have to find the 5 numbers in GP and given conditions are product of these 5 numbers equal to 1024 and fifth term is the square of the third term. Okay, now first we assume the 5 numbers in GP. Answer for this, assume that or suppose that 5 numbers in GP are a upon r square, a upon r, comma a into r, comma a upon r, sorry, a into r square, a into r square. Now these are the 5 numbers in GP. Okay, now we use first condition here. Product of these 5 numbers is equal to 1024. Given that product of 5 numbers is 1024. Therefore, we can write here a upon r square into a upon r into a r into a r square is equal to 1024. Okay, now here this r square upon r square get cancelled, r upon r also cancel. Then we can write here a into a 5 times is equal to 1024. That is, we can write here product of these 5 terms, a into a 5 times means we can write here a raised to 5 is equal to 1024 means 1024 means 4 raised to 5. 4 into 4 into 4, 5 times. Therefore, we can write here 4 raised to 5. And here a raised to 5 is equal to 4 raised to 5. Here power is same. And therefore, base is also same. This implies that a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. Now we use second condition. Also given that fifth term is the square of third term. Also given that fifth term is square of third term. Now fifth term is here a into r square and third term is a. That is we have to given a into r square is equal to a raised to 2. A raised to 2. Fifth term is square of third term. A r square equal to a square. Okay. That is we can write here r square is equal to a square upon a. A square upon a. Therefore, r square equal to, now a cancel, remains only a. Now put value of a from equation 1, say here. Equation 1, a is equal to 4. Put a is equal to 4. Therefore, we get here r square equal to 4. That is, we get r square equal to 2 square, or taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides, we can write here r is equal to plus or minus 2. R is equal to plus or minus 2. That is, we get two values of r, plus 2 and minus 2. Now we have to find the 5 numbers in GP using values of a and r. Now number first here, when a equal to 4 and r is equal to plus 2, the numbers in GP are, the 5 numbers in GP are, and right here, first number a upon r square. A upon r square, a is equal to 4 and r is equal to plus 2. 4 upon r equal to plus 2, 2 square, that is 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. First number is 1. Second number a upon r, that is a is 4, r is equal to 2, 4 upon 2 means 2. Okay. Third number a is equal to 4. Fourth number a into r, a means 4, r means 2, 4 into 2 means 8. Okay. Fifth number a into r square, a means 4, r square means 2 square, that is 4 into 2 square means 4, 4 into 4, 16. Therefore, the 5 numbers in GP are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. These are the 5 numbers in GP. Now we use value of r. R is equal to minus 2 and a is equal to 4. The second case when a is equal to 4 and r is equal to minus 2. The numbers, 5 numbers in GP are, first number here, a upon r square. A upon r square equal to, a means 4, r is equal to minus 2, minus 2 square is equal to 4 upon, minus 2 square means again 4, 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. Second number, A upon R is equal to, value of A is 4, value of R is minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 4 upon minus 2 means minus 2. Third number, A is equal to 4. Fourth number, A into R, A is 4, R is minus 2, therefore AR is equal to minus 8. Fourth number is minus 8. And fifth number, A into R square, that is 4 into minus 2 square is equal to 4 into 4. Minus 2 square means plus 4. 4 into 4, 16. Now in second case, we get 5 numbers in GPR: 1, minus 2, 4, minus 8 and 16. Okay, these are the 5 numbers in GP. Okay, now we see next example here. Now next example is the fifth term of GP. Next example, the fifth term of GP, geometric progression, is x comma eighth term eighth term of GP is y, comma, and 11th term of GP, and 11th term of GP is z. Verify that, or verify whether y square equal to x into z. Y square equal to x into z. Okay. Now in this example, we have to given that the fifth term of GP is x, eighth term of GP is y, and 11th term of GP is z, and we have to verify y square equal to x into z. That is, we have to show that y square equal to x into z here. Now answer for this, consider given terms. Given that fifth term of GP is x, eighth term of GP is y, and 11th term of GP is z. Now first we consider here values of first term and common ratio. Suppose that first term of a GP, first term of geometric progression is A, and common ratio of GP is R. Now consider given terms. Given that fifth term of GP, fifth term of GP, fifth term of GP is equal to T5 is equal to x. Also given eighth term of GP, eighth term of GP, eighth term of GP is equal to T8 is equal to y, and 11th term of GP is equal to T11 is equal to Z. Okay, but we know that formula for nth term of a GP. We know that nth term of GP, nth term of a geometric progression is Tn equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. Say this as the equation number first. Now we have to given fifth term of GP, that is we can put here n is equal to 5 here, T5 is equal to A into R raised to 5 minus 1. That is T5 is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 means 5 minus 1 is equal to A into R raised to 4, and we have to given T5 is equal to X. We can write here value of T5 is X. Okay. Now again we have to given 8th value of GP, T8. Put here n is equal to 8, then we can write, and T8 is equal to A into R raised to 8 minus 1 is equal to A into R raised to 7, and T8 is given which is equal to Y, therefore equal to Y. Again 11th term, put here n is equal to 11, T11 is equal to A into R raised to 11 minus 1 is equal to A into R raised to 10 is equal to Z. Equation number second, third and fourth. Now these are the terms, fifth term, 8th term and 11th term of a geometric progression. Now we have to verify this y square equal to x into z. We have to show that y square is equal to x into z. Okay, say this as LHS and this as RHS. First we consider LHS. Consider LHS equal to y square. Now value of y from equation 3. From equation 3, y is equal to A into R raised to 7. A into R raised to 7 bracket raised to 2. That is, we can write here A square into R raised to 7 raised to 2 means A square into R raised to 7 into 2, 14. That is, we get here LHS is equal to A square into R raised to 14. Say this as equation number 5. Okay. Now we consider RHS. RHS equal to x into z. Consider RHS is equal to x into z. Now put values of x and z from equation second and fourth. X is equal to a into r raised to 4 and z is equal to a into r raised to 10. Putting these values, we can write here RHS equal to x means a into r raised to 4 into z means a into r raised to 10, a into r raised to 10. That is, we can write here a into a raised to 1 into a raised to 1 into r raised to 4 into r raised to 10. Now here a raised to 1 into a raised to 1, base is same, therefore take addition at the index, and we can write here a raised to 2 into, here also base is equal, take addition at the index, we can write here r raised to 4 plus 10 means 14. Say this as the equation number 6. Now from equations 5th and 6th, we get here a raised to 2 into r raised to 14. Here also a raised to 2 into r raised to 14. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. That is, we can verify here. We have verified y square is equal to x into z. Okay. Now this is the answer for this example. Okay. Now we stop here. Thank you.